will fast unto death. Keeping this motto in mind, today, a group of 101 farmers led by the Samyukt Kisan Morcha and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha will resume their Delhi Chalo march at noon from the Punjab and Haryana border. Farmers said that they will continue the protest until the demands are met and said that if the government wants to arrive at a solution, then they must arrange for talks with them before they further intensify the protests. Security has been heightened at the Shambhu border while internet has been suspended in parts of Ambala.
क्या तैयारी है, क्योंकि पिछली 2 बार हमने देखा कि वापस तो लौटना पड़ता, लेकिन फिर भी आप आगे बढ़ने का प्रयास लगातार कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, देश हित में अगर बलिदान किसान नेताओं को देना पड़े, उसके जत्थे को देना पड़े, इसलिए हम तैयार हैं। बेशक हमारा जत्था दीवार के उस पार ना जा पा रहा हो, लेकिन हमारी आवाज पूरे भारत के जनमानस तक जा रही है। संविधान के माहिर या संविधान पे चर्चा करने वाली सत्ता पक्ष ये बताएगी कि 100 आदमी जब पैदल चल रहा है तो देश के अमन कानून के लिए किस तरह से खतरा है। दिल्ली सरकार हो या हरियाणा सरकार है, वो ये तो हमें राजधानी में नहीं जाने देना चाहती, और दूसरा उनकी बातचीत की अभी प्रधानमंत्री की ओर से उनको आज्ञा नहीं मिल रही। जब प्रधानमंत्री जी चाहेंगे तो वार्ता शुरू होगी। हम किसी भी सियासी पार्टी का कोई भी यहाँ नुमाइंदा आए वो सियासी तौर पे समर्थन करे, ये परवाह नहीं करेंगे। हाँ, वैसे कोई एज ए स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, एज ए किसान मजदूर का बेटा होने के नाते कोई भी आए उसका स्वागत है।
And now, to bring us more on what's going to be expected within the next hour itself, we're crossing over to my colleague Shivam, who joins us on the broadcast. Shivam, you've been covering what's been taking place on the ground as far as the farmer protests are concerned. What can we expect today in terms of the chaos, the tear gas shelling, Bajrang Punia also taking part in the protests as well?
So Aisha, today it marks the 10th month of the Delhi Chalo second leg of the protest, and you can see it means that at the Shambhu border, all these thousands, 2,000 of farmers have been protesting here, agitating here for almost 10 months now. Now today this is the third attempt for them in past 10 days to cross the Shambhu border, to cross this particular patch of 200 meters. We have seen how from the past 2 times it has happened that the farmers have started their march from here. The 101 farmers, the Jatha, the organization as they are calling them, have tried to march towards the national capital on foot, but they have not been given any permission. This particular patch of 500 meters have become almost a sort of a battleground between the security personnel as well as the farmers. And today also we are expecting the same thing. Around 12, the farmers would start their march. Just few minutes back, the roll call, the attendance of all those 101 farmers who were supposed to go there was happening. The cross verification of every farmer was happening, whether everybody is present or not. Because remember, last time also the same situation happened when the police asked the farmers to identify themselves, to tell them who are those 101 farmers. So this time also they don't want to leave any stones unturned, but still the problem arises from the fact that they have not got any permission. Now internet has been suspended in various parts of Ambala to spread any kind of mishappening, to maintain the law and order as well. In the morning also, Mr. Sarwan Singh had also said that it is a decisive time for the farmers who are agitating here. They have asked the farmers from Punjab, from Haryana and all across the nation to come up in huge numbers and support the Farmers Association to cross this Shambhu border. But still the authorities are saying that they have not got the permission. If they have not got the permission, they simply can't be allowed to cross this thing. So again, a lot of ambulances have already been in place. A lot of masks have already been distributed. A lot of water bottles have already been distributed. All these things have put in place. But again, it would be interesting to see, since after the Bajrang Punia, the wrestler and the chairman of All India Kisan Congress is also coming here, it can lead to a certain political event as well. There is a hint. However, whether he will also march towards the barricade or not, it's still something which is questionable, which still is something which we need to get clarity on, because this protest is certainly organized under the banner of Samyukt Kisan Morcha non-political as well as the Kisan Mukti Morcha. However, Bajrang Punia is the chairman of All India Kisan Congress. There could be question asked from the Congress party as well, that where were they during all these 2 attempts when it happened? Why didn't come here? But since he is coming, it is expected to see some sort of action between the police personnel as well as the farmers for now. Over to you.